में जहां पे रफाल मामले पर
let there be an independent monitor who will go into this to check up if everything is all right, madam. After that, look at the fate. That's what. Look, plane कब आएगा इसका चरित्र मैं बोल रही हूँ कि प्लेन नहीं आया उनके जमाने में. इंडिपेंडेंट हमारे जमाने में इस सितंबर में पहुंच रहे जी. आप इंतजार करिए.
चलेगा जमाना.
Independent monitors, madam. Independent monitor who was appointed by the Raksha Mantri then cleared the process. The independent monitor appointed by the Raksha Mantri to look into how the L1 was emerging like that cleared the process. Independent monitor cleared it. Then in June 2012, even after the independent monitor clearing the process, they did not buy it. Even after the independent monitor clearing the process, they did not buy it. Why? There was a reason. There is a reason.
कितने की डील हो रही थी इनके समय?